In this numeric expression, we're going to simplify the fractions. We're going to be using our fraction rules and our pandas rules as well. So following fraction rules, we have to remember that in order to subtract them or add them, the denominators have to be the same. Okay? So in here we have 7/6 minus 1/3. So we're going to multiply this side by 3 because our least common denominator is 6 times 3, 18. So whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side. 7 times 3 gives you the 21 over 18 minus 6 over 18. Keep it inside the parentheses, bring it to 111. I haven't used it. Now, I'm going to subtract since both denominators are the same. We write over here, 21 minus 6, take 1, it's 20, take the 5, gives you the 15 over 18. Now you don't need the parentheses anymore. Plus 1 over 11. So, now I am going to simplify by adding. So between 18 and 11, what is my least common denominator? Well, the easiest way for you, if you don't see it, is to say multiply 11 over here, multiply 18 over here. Okay? So now I'm just going to go to the side and multiply my 15 times 11. That gives me 5 and 1, 5 and 1. And notice how I'm doing my side work. You want to make sure you're not using a calculator for these examples. 5, 6, and 1. 165. Then I'm going to do the 11 times 18. Just so I know what that is. 8 and 1, 8 and 1. Make sure you're lining up your numbers. You don't want a mistake. 9 and 1. So I have 15 times 11, 165 over 198 plus 1 times 18, 18 over 198, right? Now I'm going to add because both of my denominators are the same. So I'm going to go over here and do more side work and do the basic addition. I add this, take 2 is 10 and the 3, 13. Carry the 1, 1 plus 6, 7 plus another 1 is the 8, and bring this down. Now I'm going to rewrite this and I get 183 over 198. You always want to check if you can simplify your fractions. So why don't we check by dividing by, let's say maybe 2. Can you divide the top number by 2? We can check. More side work. You always want to check. Sometimes it might seem long. We don't want to do long division, but we have to check because it says simplify. Your answer should be a simplified fraction. So 2 into 18, we definitely get 9. And that's 0. Then we bring down the 3. Well, 2 does not fit into 3, so definitely cannot do that by 2. So, well, let's try 3. I always try the first prime numbers. It's easier to split a number in half or in 3. So 3 into 18, we get 6. 6 times that, 18. 0, bring down the 3, and we get 1. Well, that works. Well, let's see if it works for 198. It definitely works for 183, but let's see for 198. You have to check every number by the same. Cannot choose the top by 3 and the bottom by 2. Cannot do that. So 3 into 19, you can use 8. 3 times 8, not 8, what am I saying? 6. So 18, subtract that 1, bring down the 8. So then again, 3 into 18, we get another 6. Oh, that seems like it works. So we subtract that, and yay. So we divide the top by 3, on the bottom by 3, we get 61 over 66. And you want to check again. Always continue to check until you no longer can do no more. Well, the bottom definitely will divide by 2, but I don't think the top one would. Definitely with that 1 there. So we want to check again by 3. Let's see. Make sure you're following. All of this is side work that you want to do on the side of your paper. So let's try 61 by 3. Goes in there. Yay! And then we're gonna, we're gonna hit a problem. You see it right now. 0, 1. Oh, that doesn't go. So definitely that one goes by 3. I think it stays here. We can leave it to that. But always double check. And you see the same process. It's the same thing over and over again. I'm only using 2 and 3, but you can keep going and use other numbers. You want to double check. You can check your answer with a calculator, but you don't want to get your final answer just with a calculator. You want to learn to do all the procedures. So let's keep 61 over 66 as our final answer.